Hi guys, right, we're here, we're at Clacton pier, we're now about to get on there. Looks like the log flume is working, not too sure, but check it out, keep watching, off we go. Unbelievable.
Big difference to Walton.
They've done multi-million-pound improvements here.
Lovely. Go to the log flume, get us on.
Keep on it. Take us there.
Okay. Over there, I think. Yeah, log flume over there. I think I'm going to get wet.
Yep.
So I just did the log ride. So I filmed off ride, I done on ride, which you'll see in a separate video. Not a bad ride actually. Got the go-karts. I think that's now included on the tickets I pay separately anymore, or a wristband. Just getting some donuts, obviously. Donuts. Old-fashioned pumping station. Oh, yeah.
They all fell in.
Well, I fixed it. Yeah, we'll have to be open about it, don't they? Well, this is where the new roller coaster was going to go. Obviously, see how bad it was. This is where the coaster was going to go. But I'm assuming as soon as they get it fixed, and you can see the repairs start doing there.
Look, you should read it.
I'll put it on the thing so they can pause it. Probably giving them time soon, it'll be probably ready for next year, I reckon, once they get all the allowed to fix it all up, all the steel and all that there. But
It's so bad, isn't it?
it's a lot worse to fix some of it.
Huh?
Fix some of it.
Yeah, but look how much they've got to go though.
Yeah.
Look how much fell in. That's scary.
But look how hard they work to fix it. Look at all the steel that's inside it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yum.
How good. What? Oh.
Running all well.
Where?
Oh, just a bag of sugar. It does state on there that in 2021 the new roller coaster should be up and operational. Walters. Can't remember what they're called. Bye. So Tara's changed her challenge. She's not going to do rides, but she's got a challenge to eat from every single one. Walton Pier, hot dog. Clacton Pier, donuts. What will Southend bring?
Comment below on what you want me to eat at Southend Pier. We've probably got about an hour before we're there, so come up with any ideas that you're going to be able to, of what you're going to be able to eat on a pier, and I will eat it.
So we're now leaving Clacton Pier. I do like the old Jurassic Park arcade machine. I got him. I said exit. Oh. Right, that's our time at Clacton Pier. And now off to Southend. Maybe an ice cream is what Tara's going to eat at the next one. Right, see you in a bit. Bye.